Adobe had just released its Adobe Firefly, a very interesting AI tool that it's up to compete with the world of AI, bringing in different kind of ideas. Adobe Firefly is the new family of creative generative AI models coming to Adobe products. Focusing initially on image and text effect generation, it will now offer new ways to ideate, create, and communicate while significantly improving creative workflows. Firefly is the natural extension of the technology Adobe has produced over the past 40 years, driven by the belief that people should be empowered to bring their ideas into the world precisely as they imagine them. So there is quite a lot of things that Adobe AI has introduced. It's a very huge contribution to the AI field. With just simple prompts like this, you can see a lot of fantastic images being generated like this, okay? And you can go ahead and play around with them. Unlimited creative options. Think of how many hours you would save if you could add what's in your head to your composition instantly. So take a look at this. Just with simple prompts, and you can see you can change, and you have 3 variations of this image directly: an underwater city, and within just one click you can see the underwater city forming under this very water. And you can see you can generate variations of these different variations, and you can just with just a simple click change between the various variations. I think this is an excellent discovery and an excellent invention that is coming with the AI into the AI world. Now you can see it has even instant creative building blocks. Okay, you can generate different vector variations from mere hand sketch or rough sketches of your logos or thereabout. You can be able to, with just simple clicks, bring in the idea into reality. Okay, so you can just imagine generating custom vectors, brushes, and textures from just a few words or even a sketch. Okay, we plan to build this into Firefly. They are just trying to build this into Firefly. So you can see with just a simple prompt, you can change the whole thing into a real logo or any image of your choice, and you can go ahead to play around with it just like so. You have the ability to edit what you create using the tools you already know and love. Already the tools that you are using in Adobe, you can use them to edit the logos or your creation, be it an image, be it any kind of vector or thereabout. Now take a look at this. With just a simple prompt, change scene to winter, and with just one simple click and everything changed to winter. And you have 3 major variations. You can see you have this type of winter. You can just with a mere click, you can change the variation as you so wish. Okay, so this is incredibly insane with just a simple click, and you can see multiple variations to choose from. Change the mood, atmosphere, or even the weather you are in within a picture. We are exploring the potential of text-based video editing with Firefly. So you can describe what look you want and instantly change the colors and settings to match that particular look that you are targeting. And then you have distinctive content creation for everyone. With just a simple click, make templates from this, and it's just with just a simple click you have it generated. This is going to bring in different touch to the way we approach content creation in Canva or thereabout. With just simple click, and you can make mood board with different kind of images, and you can see it generating. You can get ready to create unique posters, banners, and social posts and more with even a simple text prompt. Unlike the other way that we used to do with Canva, you have to go through with Canva styles, Canva editing tools to master them and try to see how you can play around with brands. So usually to get to Canva, you just come to canva.com and you'll be brought here. Create an account, you just sign in and you'll be brought in here. And if you're targeting any kind of card, for example, the birthday card, you can just come over here and just type search for birthday card. All right, I think this is a bit longer. Let me show you the depth of what we are just talking about. So you can see, you can just see different kind of birthday card, and in these cases you have to stay around, try to find out which one you want to go for example something like this, and then you can select it, take a look at it and see whether you can customize this. And you can just go ahead and customize. You can just take a look and monitor the steps I'm going to take to create this birthday card, and now you have it customizable in a customizable form. So you can just go ahead and maybe upload a given image from somewhere. You can upload an image, or you can use any of the templates available here, and you can just go ahead and type and edit the content. For example, happy birthday to you, and maybe I can add another text. You can come over here and just add it in another text. Maybe let's try to look at something special, something sweet. Okay, something like this. So we can just drag and drop it, and we can just go ahead and resize it to something like this and try to put it here and just give it a name, Susan. We can delete this one. So you can see with so many multiple clicks, and you are able to generate this happy birthday to you, Susan, and then you can just see, you can just go ahead and customize anything. But what I'm trying to prove is the length of work that you need to do, while on the other platform with just simple prompts you'll be able to have this and customizable to your own liking, even putting in the age of that particular person you are doing birthday celebration for, or you are doing the birthday card for. But here with simple clicks, with simple prompts, you can be able to generate exceptional images, social media banners, posts, posters, and unique graphics, okay, with this newly generated AI feature. You can upload mood board or to generate totally original and customizable content. If you want, you can do that. And the most interesting part is that you have future forward 3D. Now you have 3D model that with just a simple click, with just simple drag and drop, it changes the feature, and you can generate different kind of variations of this very simple watch, like turning simple 3D compositions into photorealistic images and quickly creating new styles and variations of 3D objects. So let's take a look at more advanced features of what you can use this AI tool to generate, okay, with just simple prompts. So let's play this trailer video. And you can see you can generate portrait of a person in an art studio with plant and sunlight. You can see with just a simple click and you have generated the portrait of the image. Now what makes this unique in terms of the other way we used to do image analytics and image editing and content creation in Adobe Photoshop or similar software is that now you have the option to generate different kind of content type, from any type to photo type to graphics to art, depending on what you want. You can see right now we've selected the content type to be an art, and if you just click ahead and you can see now you can change it to anything of your choice. Let's see, you can change it to a photo, and you can see it has just created the photo, and you're free to go ahead and select any size of your choice between 16:9 to 9:16, which is your photo, and this is your normal PC size or the YouTube size. And then you have 1:1 size, which is the Instagram size, or you can go for portrait depending, and the images can easily be adjusted from the different variations. You can see different variations, and with just simple click you can even be able to change the clothing from this one and a simple prompt to red, and you have those very variations. Now what interests me the most about this AI invention is the smart portrait. The smart portrait can change the looks and even the smiles, the age of your photo, bang length and hair waviness, okay, and eye distraction. You can change all that from here, and lighting left, lighting right, and glare reduction. You can do all that. So take a look at with just simple slides, you can be able to increase the smiles and light left, or you can eye openness, you can play around with it. Okay, I think this is extremely next level, and the one that actually surprised me the most is with this simple prompt you can generate depth of image. So for example, this one you said a sunlit living room with modern furniture and a window. Okay, so take a look at this prompt, and let's take a look at the result. Take a look at this. I think this is extremely superb. Look at the living room, and look at it's lit with the sunlight there and so on, and it's well arranged, well prepared, and the graphics, the coloration is exceptionally superb. I think this is crazy. This is going to be the next level image content creation methods, and this is really going to change the AI industry as regards content creation. So let's take a look at this. You can generate 3D to image. You can just move directly from 3D to image with simple basic prompts. Take a look at these models that we have in 3D, basic shapes, and then we can have simple models, and from these models you can give simple prompts like this one. Make a castle on a grass hill. Make a castle on a grass hill, a castle on a grass hill from this, and take a look at what it brought. This is incredibly insane. I think I'm marveled by what it just created. Look at just from the 3D image, look at what it just created, and it's a castle on grass, and this is really nice. A castle on a desert, and you can change it to desert, or make a birthday poster. You can just get that different variations with just simple prompts. I think this is next level invention in the AI industry. So it's her 6th birthday, so you can change the content also to suit and to make it her 6th birthday. So take a look. Okay, 6th birthday. With just that simple prompt, even the poster has changed, and instead of the normal generic, you see this is super intelligent and this is super nice to be able to create things with just the text to template. Okay, from text to so many templates. We just mere click and just simple prompt of your ideas, you have a bunch of contents that you can walk around and customize to your liking. So take a look at this. The next one is text to template. You have this as well. So conversational editing, you can have this small dog, and take a look at the prompt. Dress the dog in Santa Claus. So take a look, it has just been dressed. Put him in front of a gingerbread house, and take a look with just that prompt. Look at him in the gingerbread house. Hot air balloons over a value at golden hour. Okay, take a look and you can see the generation, and you can download and go ahead and do text to vector. You can play around with the different features, different vectors. You can move them around, combine photos. You can be able to combine multiple photos in one photo and make a hell lot of difference. You can see color conditional image generation. You can generate different kind of coloration. This is mystical tempo. There's quite a lot that you can do from here. Upscaling, you can upscale by 2x. You can see, you can just upscale with just simple click and everything becomes so clear and glaring. So there's so much that they have shown over here, and I think this is going to be next level. You can go ahead and join the Discord if you want to learn much, you want to learn more, and you want to see other people's creations, what they have been able to use this very tool to generate, and you can request access from here, and then you'll be given access over time. So I think this is next level. There's so much to learn, so much to explore and see. Just go ahead and give it a try and see what you can do, what you can explore. Text to brush, sketch to image, text to template. There's so much to learn over here, and this is going to revolutionize the AI industry by bringing in different ideologies, different methods, and the fact that with just simple prompts, you'll be able to achieve or to drive or to generate or to create exceptional content, templates, and graphics for yourself. So I think this is a very nice invention that's coming. Give it a try. Don't forget to always hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more and more videos like this. So I will see you in my next video. For the meantime, enjoy the Firefly from Adobe. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.